Hi guys, Alexander Izar over here. In today's video I'll show you how to change the blinker on the left and right side on Passat B6. This blinker is non-functional. We've got two brand new blinkers. These are aftermarket parts. They are with the dynamic LEDs. They go from inside to the outside. So they don't have a particular part number, but you can find them on eBay, Alibaba and other websites. So in order to remove the blinker, you have to remove the top case, and let's start. Pry the plastic from in between the blinker and the cover. Have some clips over there and it will jump right out. Like this. Now we have to remove the glass of the mirror. You have a pin over here on all sides, and then you have to disconnect the electrical connectors. Okay. Next we remove this shroud. It has over here some clips, and on the bottom side it just slides out. This channel and this channel, they go over here and over here. Next step is to remove these 3 screws on the swivel motor with a Torx 8. Small correction, it's a Torx 10 instead of a Torx 8. Either somebody messed with it or this corner has a Torx 8 or Torx 10. And once you unscrew the swivel motor, the screws will remain in the plastic housing. They won't come out. Or will they? Yes, they will. Okay, so in the end you need to remove the bottom part, and now we unscrew the blinker from the bottom part of the housing. It's a bit glued in, but you just have to wiggle it out of position. Just wiggle it about and it will be okay. Now, before reinstalling everything, we will works perfectly. Okay, and now reposition it. So again, on the bottom side you have these two channels, and on the top side you have these rectangular holes for the top side pins. And now the mirror or the cover, doesn't matter what you put first. Be careful when reconnecting. The two pins are not equal, one is wider than the other, so just bear in mind when you connect it. Like that. And now we'll pull the brand new seal. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.